How to download YouTube Kids application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download YouTube Kids application. So if you are also using Android just like me, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside your Play Store, just search in for YouTube Kids, and here you'll be seeing this official YouTube Kids application. So for your confirmation, it has over 500 million plus downloads. So simply tap on it and just click on it. So YouTube Kids is an application which is basically more preferable to your children's, or if you are an adult, you can just manage these applications for your children's just like this, so that they can view your children accounts like cartoons and animes just like that. So once it gets downloaded and installed, now that it has been installed, just click on open, and you will just have to set up your account for your YouTube Kids application by simply clicking on this and sign in with your parents account so that you can control for your child. So that is exactly how you can easily download your YouTube Kids application on your Android device. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech videos like this in the future.